here at Belleville Dam, and we'll try to target some sauger and walleye today. Here's a picture of the dam, shot of the dam. Trace waters there. So I'm gonna head down and see if I can't put a couple of fish on in my hand. Here we are, Belleville Dam. This is a really nice place. I haven't fished here in years. I got a couple of partners down there on that side. Grubs work really well here, especially chartreuse. Anything that looks like a shad, there's tons of shad in this area. So basically what happens is the fish come up into this feeding grounds through here and they kind of get trapped. They can't go up any further and they just kind of stay here and feed. The walleye and sauger have been running here the last few weeks, so I'm hoping to get on that cast. Just kind of throw that out, let it sink, and then I just slowly retrieve it. You can see where the current is, and there's eddies right back through here, and that's where the fish normally sit, right back in these eddies. And then they'll hit prey. There's one. Got one already, first cast. That feels like a pretty good one. What we got here? It's like a striper. A white bass. Yeah, a little white bass. Nice. Nice. Very first cast. Today is the full moon, and we're right in the middle of a major. So yeah, ooh, he's got some weight to him. A little white bass. Very nice. These are good eating. Fortunately, not out of this river. There's fish number one. Pretty. There he goes. Bye-bye. All right, one cast, one fish. These bass, they'll sit in along this bank here and they'll just feed all day long. This is a really good spot where I am right here. I fished here quite a bit before.
Are you after anything specific today, or?
Sauger and walleye.
Have you caught anything?
I caught one white bass. I've only been here, again, about 20 minutes. First cast, too, on a grub. I thought, yeah, it's going to be a great day, and then I haven't caught anything since.
So would you say you're successful in your catch for the day so far?
So far, yeah.
What's your zip code? Have you been interviewed before?
No.
No? Here's my tough question. How many days did you say you fished last year, 2016?
How many days? Probably around 30 or 40. I'm a weekend angler mostly.
Gotcha. Out of those 40, how many were on the river, the Ohio River?
I didn't come here at all.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is my first time here in about 2 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I used to fish here all the time for catfish, and then I just stopped. I started becoming a muskie fisherman, and I kind of stopped fishing for catfish.
I would love to catch muskie.
They're fun.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I went yesterday, and we didn't see anything. We went up on a little muskingum.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Casting?
Yeah, in a boat on the. I went to Williamstown and went up into the mouth of Little Muskingum, and.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's your birth year? And have you caught a tagged fish recently?
Have I
Caught a tagged fish recently?
No, I have not.
All right, that's about all I need for that. But yeah, I would love to catch a muskie casting would be the best thing ever.
It's awesome. I think I've caught about 8 in my life.
Yeah, I never have. I've went a few times, but
I've caught 5 this year.
Really?
Yeah. My biggest was 47.
Inches or pounds?
47 inches.
Okay.
Yeah, 4-foot fish. He's probably about 35 pounds, 30 to 35 pounds.
Yeah, that's still pretty. That's a nice fish.
Real nice. I caught him in Stonewall Jackson.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I used to go up there and camp all the time.
Yeah, it's a really nice lake. Really nice
I
lake.
didn't know there was muskie in that.
Yeah, there's a ton.
Really?
Big ones. Yeah. Oh yeah.
No.
Good bass population as well, but there's a lot of muskie there.
Yeah. See, we never did too good up there, but we were just there on the weekend with the family. We'd take a boat out a few times. I never did any good there. Catch a few bass, no size to them. I don't know where I wasn't fishing the right places. Must not have been.
Yeah, I caught 2 fish. I caught a nice bass. He was 14 inches, probably weighed about 2.5 to 3 pounds.
Really?
and then I caught that muskie, and that was it. But I didn't really fish too hard. It was July. It was really hot. I fished in the mornings. I use crankbaits a lot, bucktails, big ones, yeah. It's 8, 10 inches long, sometimes 12. Yeah, they're bigger than most fish I catch.
Now, do you do the figure 8?
Yep, every time.
You catch them on that a lot?
I went to Cave Run Lake down in Moorhead. Mm-hmm. My buddy caught a 46 and a 35, and I caught a 35 doing the figure 8.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it's pretty exciting because you're just sitting there and you don't expect anything. All of a sudden, you got this 3-foot fish on your line.
Oh yeah,
that's crazy.
Oh, I'm sure. That's musky fishing would be a blast.
It's awesome. It's not for everyone because a lot of people think, oh, you're gonna catch one every other cast like you do with bass.
Oh yeah.
But you might fish all day and never see one. So if you see a fish, that's a good day.
Oh no kidding. Yeah, they call them the fish of 10,000 casts.
Yeah.
That's what everybody calls them.
It's getting better. They're a little easier to catch now because people are starting to put them back in the water instead of just keeping them. Mm-hmm. They used to, in the 70s, a 36-inch fish was huge, and they just, especially around here.
Oh yeah.
But everybody kept them. So now they don't keep them, and everybody's more conscious about putting them back into the environment, and they grow 4 or 5 feet long. What's your name?
Tanner Roush.
Tanner? Chris Valva, nice to meet you. You're going to be on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel.
All right, cool.
So,
I was wondering what you
Yeah, I do YouTube videos. So okay. I'm just getting started, but it's a lot of fun. Yeah. Get a little creative. Yeah, I got a Garmin on top, Garmin Verb. So I get all my action shots here, and then if I catch a fish, then I'll turn this on and go up and talk and do intros and stuff.
I can't remember his name now. He used to go to Hocking College. He used to do a lot of fisherman videos.
John B?
Maybe.
I think that's, yeah, I know who you're talking, because he's from Hocking.
He's only a little older than me.
Yeah, he's been doing it forever, and he's really big now. He gets millions of views. I'm subscribed to him. I watch him all the time.
I went to school with him.
He does really good videos. He's kind of like my inspiration. I try to do my videos like him, because he's really, really good at it, because he's been doing it for years.
Yep. I don't know where he's from.
Somewhere up in Ohio. I'm not sure where.
He went to Hocking College.
Yeah, he went.
That's why I'm taking fish management there, and I went to school with him. He graduated just as I was getting in it. So.
Yeah, he's really, really popular. I mean, he gets millions of views on his stuff. He got a lot of sponsors and.
Millions already?
Yeah, he gets millions of views. I saw today he had 3 videos, and each of them had 1 million views, and they've been on about a year or two, so it's not like all at once. But he'll post a video and he'll get 50,000 hits in the first hour or two.
Wow.
You know, I'll post a video and I might get a couple of hits of,
Yeah.
And I get maybe 100 a month, and he's getting thousands in an hour. So yeah, but you just got to get your name thrown out there and do different stuff. Well, Tanner, it was nice meeting you.
Yeah, you too.
You have a good day.
We'll
see you later.
We'll get out here and get the food.
All right. Okay, I'll be here, maybe. He's a nice guy. So he's from the Ohio ODNR. So we said when the wall gets wet, you might need to move up there. White striper, or a white bass. Nice. We're getting that currently. I feel like they got a little bit of power to them. Grub strikes again. Oh, same size as the last one. Well, that's 2. Boy, they're heavy. Second little striper of the day. Not bad. It's about 10. Well, the day ended. It wasn't too bad. Did catch 2 fish. Haven't been here in a while. It's probably been about 2 or 3 years since I've been here. Usually I come here for catfish or drum or just pretty much anything. I do like catching a lot of the hybrids they have here. They're pretty good size. They put up a really good fight. The 2 striper, well, I call them stripers, but they're little white bass. They put up a pretty good fight, so it was nice to have a fish tug it on your line after going musky fishing yesterday, not catching anything. So it wasn't a bust altogether. Got a few little shots. The water seemed to be pretty good. The weather cooperated a bit. So it was worthwhile. I was glad to get out on the water, but I'm gonna head home, get a little bit of grub in my belly, and we'll talk at you pretty soon. Didn't have a whole lot of stuff going on with that, so all right, start over. Well, the day didn't go exactly as planned. Had 2 fish. So, closing out another video, and we'll talk to you the next time.